Hello foodies! Welcome back to Swedanika the kitchen. Today we are back with another interesting recipe. Falafels are popular Middle Eastern fast food made of a mixture of chickpeas, fresh herbs and spices that are formed into a small patties or balls. It's often served in sandwich form with a generous drizzle of tahini or hummus and loads of salad along with slices of roasted eggplant. Today we are showing falafels with desi touch in terms of preparation and serving. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get new video updates. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. Dry chickpeas, ginger, green chili, garlic cloves, all-purpose flour, chickpea flour, chopped onion, salt, mint, coriander leaves, cooking oil, dry red chili and tomato for chutney. Without wasting time, let's get into the procedure. Wash and soak 1 cup dry chickpeas for 4 hours. You can use canned chickpeas for this recipe, but make sure you wash and dry them before starting the procedure. Add chickpeas into a blender without water. Add 2 inches ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. 6 teaspoons all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons chickpea flour, 5 teaspoons chopped onion. Half cup mint leaves, half cup coriander leaves. Blend everything into a coarse paste. If you want, you can add coriander, cumin powder and garam masala too, but it tastes better without masalas. Look at the texture. Add salt as per your taste. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon. Squeeze half lemon and give it a good mix. When the balls are made, it should hold the shape like this. Now, in a heavy bottom pan or wok, add cooking oil for deep fry. Heat the oil. Now the oil is hot enough. Dip your hand in water and make balls. This way the batter doesn't stick to your hands. Look at the balls. We are making them into perfect balls shape. You can make them as patties too and shallow fry them too. I am deep frying these balls. If your batter doesn't hold the shape, keep it in freezer for 1 hour. It will hold the shape. Deep fry them until golden brown. Transfer them onto a plate with paper towel to drain excess oil. Repeat the process with remaining batter. You can air fry these patties or balls too. Now desi falafels are ready. Let's prepare chutney to serve these falafels. In a small pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add diced tomato once the oil is hot enough. Add 5 to 6 dry red chili and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Here you can add diced onion too. And saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add garlic clove. Let it cook until tomatoes are soft and onion is cooked. Transfer everything into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Our tomato chutney is ready. Let's serve falafels with tomato chutney or in sandwich along with sandwich chutney and tomato chutney, or stuff them in naan along with salad. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please mention your recipe requests in the comment section. Please share the recipe with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.